Hey, so if you want to create documents, guides, or notes for your team, yeah, Confluence lets you build pages easily. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to create pages in Confluence in 2026. First thing, go to your workspace and open a space. Pages are always created inside a space. Next, click the Create button. So this opens the page editor. All right, pick a template. You can use meeting notes, project plans, or start from a blank page. Now add a title and start writing. You can type text and organize content with headings. Next, insert elements. So you can add images, tables, links, and files. All right, add macros. You can include task lists, calendars, or a table of contents. Now choose where the page goes. You can make it a parent or child page, and yeah, click Publish. So your page becomes visible to your team. Finally, share your page. You can invite teammates and collaborate in real time. So that's how you create pages in Confluence. Once you get used to it, you can build organized documentation easily.